Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to talk about wipeout or integration in terms of the conquest of Mexico by the Spanish. Newly arriving expats frequently view the Spanish conquest of Mexico as one-sided and total, to the detriment of indigenous cultures. Such a notion could not be farther from the truth, as most everything we do, see, eat, and experience in San Miguel de Allende is a fertile combination of the indigenous and Spanish civilizations. Yes, Spain was the conqueror, but simple math indicates there were way more indigenous, even after the ravages of war and imported diseases, than conquistadors. Spain and their partner in world domination, the Church, had to accept that the indigenous already believed. Together, they tossed in some tweaks, resulting in a culture based in Catholicism that is more ritualistic, feminine, and tactile than found up north or across the pond. Today's marketing professionals, aided by the internet, computers, and related technology, can only gasp and marvel at the juggernaut that was the Church. The Church keenly focused on bringing the new faith to the area, even advertising Mexico as the New Eden. Throughout the vast geography of Mexico, there's hardly a city, town, or village that cannot claim a miracle-working religious image. Most of the cults surrounding these images developed during the colonial times, helping to legitimate the Catholic conversion. Popular piety did the rest. Local populations sustained the cults through donations, festivals, and church art. Local cults are testaments not only to the success of conversion, but of local pride and regional identity. May being the month of the cross, Dia de Locos, Day of the Dead, Mary's birthday celebrations are but a handful of fiestas that make San Miguel de Allende unique. Even the name San Miguel is unique, as we were the first settlement in Mexico not built by the Spanish upon pre-existing indigenous settlement. Hence, we've the first Spanish town named San Miguel, while neighbors are identified by their indigenous names like Guanajuato, Atotonilco, and Querétaro. Domination, political, religious, and aesthetic, has been possible only through the compromise and integration. Since the Inquisition arrived, the Spaniards, San Miguel de Allende has been a complex amalgam of cultural identities and differences that became one over the years as we eat tamales, stroll by architecture, view Maria dolls for sale, and hear fireworks and bells. Enjoy San Miguel de Allende more by understanding our extraordinary mixture of an ancestral pagan past and the Catholic faith. Come along for a walking tour. If out of town, enjoy any of the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende series, or invite me to come speak in the San Miguel's Power of the Feminine in your hometown. Foreigners that have lived here for decades write how they learned more new stuff from me in the first 5 minutes we were together than they ever imagined. Imagine how much more fun living here is when you poke around the history and culture to learn integration is the way to go. As always, feel free to click subscribe and like, and you'll get new notifications of videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.